Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ and SPX price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is intraday for the US stock indexes. So we're gonna start with a NASDAQ on the 1 hour chart as usual. As we can see today, we have a very boring sideways, and of course, as expected in the daily, we are of course in a triangle here, A, B, C, D, and E. We are expecting, of course, continuation toward the upside sooner or later. I'm expecting that this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse toward the upside to unfold still towards the 1.618 as a finished wave 3. Obviously, that as this impulse is gonna have, of course, a short wave 5, and that because, of course, you have here an extended wave 1. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a 5 is not allowed to be, of course, longer than the wave 3. Meaning, of course, 1.618 is a very high possibility to be hit, and that we rebound in a wave 4 and then continuation towards the upside for a wave 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning, if this happens, of course, that is a finished impulse has been given, meaning at least you are in a wave A, you're looking for a wave B and a wave C toward the upside, which it might be, of course, here is something much more complex unfolding as WX and a Y, which is less possibility actually in case we get this impulse. It might be your wave 1, wave 2, of course, wave 3, 4, and a 5 continuation for higher prices here for NASDAQ. We're looking definitely therefore for the all-time high. Yep, so these are the possibilities right now, the highest possibility actually for NASDAQ. Now, a lower possibility, of course, once you finish this wave 5, you might finish here potential A, B, and a C. So also we gotta be careful because this looks also kind of like a 1, 2, 3 probably, or a W, X, and a Y, or something like that can turn, of course, into corrective 3 waves. Yeah, especially that it looks like perfect 1-to-1 fib level there. Yeah, so we have to also be careful with this one. In case, of course, that we see a massive drop, we're gonna, of course, estimate the wave 4 if it's gonna be very impulsive or not. Yeah, invalidation, of course, will give us a confirmation that we're dropping down. So 24K 500, if taken later on, of course, after this wave 5, that means okay, a new low has to take place there, and something else is unfolding still toward the downside. Might be, of course, still the scenario here that a wave 4 is unfinished, right? And can be the WX and a Y still unfolding there, taking the 0.23 fib level, 23K 100 for NASDAQ. Yep, so these are the possibilities as well. A less possibility, I would say, for NASDAQ right now. We'll see, of course, if this is going to unfold. SPX 500 is almost the same on the lower time frame. Also, we are in a very sideways, very boring sideways. We're looking for a wave 5 to finish this wave 3 sooner or later. In case, of course, we are in an ABC here, very likely that we might be in a 1, 2 here, several 1, 2s, or I would say diagonal in a 1, and then wave 2, and we drop down. Meaning A, B, and a C there, which is also very close for a 1-to-1 fib level there, and moving toward the downside in case this is gonna happen. However, the wave 4 is gonna give us decision later on in case that it's gonna be impulsive toward the upside, or it's gonna be impulsive toward the downside. 6,661 is your invalidation for bullish, meaning the wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with the zone 1 in case we're gonna drop down. In case we take it, of course, that means we are looking as well for the next target, which it might still be a longer wave 4 here, or deeper wave 4, 0.23 fib level, $6,331 for SPX. And we'll see, of course, we take it from there, what's going to happen in case, of course, we start to see a strength signal, strength or something like this. We might see a wave 5. But yeah, basically right now we're going to take it step by step, guys. Of course, currently we're still looking for higher prices, and we'll see, of course, what's going to happen after all as a price decision. That was it for NASDAQ and SPX 500. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.